Along the way, madali ka masugatan uli, madali ka madapa uli, and sometimes you trip on other people because you did not properly. Kapag may nararamdaman tayo na pangit or ginagawa natin, we let go, we move on. So halimbawa, yung may nanloko sa'yo na jowa, parang ganyan. Sabi,
Nakarelate ako dyan.
ang mga kaibigan mo, di ba sasabihin, let go,
yan.
move on.
Yan.
So, ang nagiging problema dyan, you did not properly heal, you just chose to let go. Para kang nasugatan, hindi ka umupaw para gamutin yung sugat mo. Ang ginawa mo, naglakad ka. Albeit may saklay ka pa nga. So what happens? What's gonna happen is that, along the way, madali ka masugatan uli, madali ka madapa uli, and sometimes you trip on other people because you did not properly. So, yun yung sinasabi ko na, I sat down with my emotions, I sat down with my guilt. And yun yung tinuturo ko din sa mga tao ngayon. Para siya to properly heal. So, ang healing kasi kailangan it starts with awareness. And then forgiveness. And then the reintegration. Yun yung trinity ng healing.